What is in my big box? Guess we better have a look. Alright, welcome along to Joe Reviews. I just said, what's in my big box? Well, I'm going to show you. It's this. I've got my hands on a Tassimo coffee machine. What the hell is that, you might be saying? Well, that's exactly what I was saying about a week ago until someone I work with told me all about them. So I got on the internet and I bought one. Got quite a good deal on this, to be fair. I got this one here, the Tassimo New Finesse Black Autumn Bundle. I got it for $49.99 and it was reduced from $148.54. So that was nearly £100 savings. So I think I got a pretty good deal. And what I got is I got this coffee machine and I got 48 pods with it as well. Because I'm led to believe what you do with a Tassimo machine is you put a little pod in here and it reads the barcode and it makes the drink for you. So I'll just show you what pods I got. So I got Costa Americano. I do like a good Americano. I got Cadbury's hot chocolate because I do like a Milky Milks before I go to bed. Who doesn't? So I got some of those. What else? I've got Costa Cappuccino. So there you go. I've got a Costa Latte. So there you go. And I've got Costa Caramel Latte. I'll be honest, I was slightly gutted a little bit because I did want the vanilla latte ones, but they weren't available in this deal. But, you know, it's all right. I'm pretty impressed with the price of that. You know, 48 coffee pods in total and a machine for $49.99. And it was free delivery. So not even 50 quid and I've got all that. So what I'll do now is I'll set this up in the kitchen. I'll see what it's all about. I'll run through the coffee cycle with you and do a brew in it and we'll see if it's any good. Let's have a look. Right then, so I've got this Tassimo machine out of the box. Literally got it out of the box and just plugged it in. And I've had a little scout through the instructions. So it's all new to me, this. So let's get some water in it and give it a clean like it says. So I'll just move these out of the way so I can show you where the water goes, or where I believe it goes. So let's pull this round here. So at the back of it there's this here, so get that off and I'll fill it to this line here. Give us a sec. There you go. So I've filled this up and I'm guessing it goes back on here like this. There you go, like that. Anyway, and if you look, you can't quite see it here. Let me lift this up. At the bottom there's a little like pod. So if you take it out, there you go. Look at it there. You've got like a barcode there. So I put that back here, and this lifts up like that. You get this barcode facing down into the top of it like that, and then you press that down like that. Give it a little click. And I'm led to believe you press this button here. Hey up. Now this, I'm led to believe, is cleaning the coffee machine. Okay, so it recommends that you do this 3 times. Now, I'm not going to just leave that on the video because it's pretty boring. So you see what you got to do. You put the cleaning tab in the top and you press the button 3 times, give it a good clean. Right then, so I've cleaned this little tray out. But if you look here, this is quite a good little thing. So you've got a bottom shelf, but you can push it up here onto a top shelf. So that'd be for like your Americanos, things like that, I'm guessing. So I'll just put it back down here because I've not actually got any Americano glasses. So I'll put it back down here like that. I think, talking of Americanos, that's the one that I'll try. So let me get one of these Americano pods and see what they're all about then. So the packets come 2 of these. That's what you get, 2 of these packs. So let's just open it up. I don't know how to get into it. I'm a virgin to these Tassimo machines, but I'm guessing you just peel this little bit here, all like that, and give it one of them. Oh, thank you. So there you go. Costa Americano. So you lift the lid, hey, like that, pull the little out, put it back in your Tassimo. I think I should have enough water for this. And then we get this barcode facing down, so it's like that, in the top here, like that. Shut it, like so. Now, ideally you would use a coffee cup, but Joe Reviews has no coffee cups. So I've got a beer festival glass that I got a few years ago from a beer festival in Liverpool that I went to with Ian and Martin. So if they're watching, they know. And I'm guessing all you do now is you just press this big button here. Hey up. It's clicking, it's thinking about it. Oh. And there you go. And there you have it, you've got a Costa Americano. Let's have a look, does it look like the picture? Hey, we're not far off, are we? Looks alright that. And then, I'm guessing, you take it and you just drink it. Cheers. Anyway, there you go, Tassimo coffee machine. Brilliant.